Good morning all. I hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's had a fantastic weekend. I was just pretty quiet, to be fair, yesterday. Well, I say quiet, even though I didn't vlog Sunday. Was busy with things. Yeah, was quite busy for a Sunday, but obviously I don't vlog. But it's another Monday, another start to the week. Weekends go far too fast, don't they? It's 25 to 8. All the kids were about ready. Chloe's gone back to sleep, so I've got to go and sort her. I've just been sorting out Lacey's schooling. Did my review on my robotic movie yesterday. Where is he? Down there. I sent the draft off, but they want me to add a little bit more, so I'll get that done today. Then hopefully that can go live. That's why I'm not keen on reviews, because I'm just no good at them. Anyhow, let's see what this week brings, eh? I forgot to vlog the kids this morning, guys. But yeah, we're currently on the school run. Rachel's just took Chloe Bow, the others have gone off. Safe's a bit nervous. They've got mock exams this week. And Liam, he's got back to cooking lessons again. Well, sort of. He's making, was it garlic bread? Bread, tear and share bread. So
just bread.
No, it wasn't. It's like garlic bread. Because I think we're having spaghetti bolognese tonight because he's making that. Yeah. Anyway, how's Lacey?
Bread.
No, it's not, is it?
No.
No. Anyway, how are you, Lacey?
All right.
Good. It's been raining, spotting. Rach said it's snowing. It's definitely not snowing, but I got your work all ready, so you ready to go? Start a brand new week. See what happens, eh? Rachel's got it in her head that it's snowing. That is not snow.
Still.
It's not. It's just fine rain. You can't even see out.
Is it on my coat?
No, it's just wet. It's not snow. It's not even forecast snow. It says light rain, and that's what it is.
Rain.
Right, we'll get Lacey's, well, I would say sorted. The work is sorted, but we'll get her started and get this Monday done, son. Rach wants another coffee. Got some hoovering up to do. I've got to do a little bit more of that review, and that is about it, I think. And anyway, when I was on about Liam cooking again this morning, Lacey is right. It wasn't garlic bread. It's cheesy pull bread thing. Cheesy. I don't know. I thought it was garlic bread, but yeah, whatever. We're having it with spag bowl. For breakfast today, or brunch, we've got these noodle things. Cup of noodle soup thing. I don't know. Getting on all right there, Lace? Yeah. Do you like that book? Yeah. What flavour did you have anyway? Same as me. Chicken. Mummy said hers is a bit spicy as she goes down. Oh, sorry, are you eating? I do apologise. Hi, Guineas. Hi.
They're messy again.
Afternoon. So Rachel gone. She's got to work. This one's been making us laugh. Haven't you? She said her thumbs hurt. Her thumb hurts. Doesn't it? It's called a toe.
What, my finger thumb hurts?
A toe hurts, but she calls it a thumb. And then it made me laugh because I said some people suck my thumb. And she was like, thinking that I was sucking the toes. Let's not go into that because that's just, yeah, some people like that.
That makes me feel sick. Why would you suck the toe?
Rach was just like, oh, get your toe away from me. She said, I don't like toes and that. She said feet. She said feet are the...
Well, what are you meant to call them then?
Toes. Not thumbs, that's your thumb.
Oh, these are finger thumbs, look.
Finger thumbs? That's a finger thumb. Yeah, it's a thumb. They're fingers,
Well,
that's a
I
thumb.
forgot what my feet are called.
Toes.
Well, I call
Well, your
them...
feet are feet.
Willa, yours is
Things
called,
on the end are called toes.
Willa called this first one a finger thumb. Because it is.
Okay. Is it still snowing?
No, it wasn't anyway.
Oh, what is it coming down then?
Rain.
Ah. Oh, Mummy said snow. Ah, so we've had snow and we've had finger thumbs. Time to go again. School run. Oh, what do you say, Wap? Oh, look at this man, Wap. He's such a beautiful man.
Teddy bear.
See you in a bit, Wap.
Such a big bear.
Oh my. Look what Liam's made. Tear and share bread. Cheesy bread.
Is it?
Well, I told everyone this morning it's garlic bread.
Why?
Because I thought that's what he was making.
Oh, look what I stole you.
I thought we'd already got some stickers. But anyway, this will go well with our spag bowl tonight.
Will it though?
You split all your herbs.
That's not my problem, the lid's broke.
That's alright. You put them back in, haven't you? Ooh. How was your day then, Liam?
I spilt them.
Oh.
I'll clean it in a minute.
Just do it over the lid.
I'm trying to.
Oh my god. From look,
you
yes, like that. That's it.
You realised I was sniffing like this.
Finally got there, didn't you? Tell you what, boy, you had brains, you'd be dangerous.
That's right. Liam, hold that up. Let's
no
see
common
what
sense.
Get me a plate then.
So you had a good day?
Yeah.
Nata, how did your exam go? What was it? English?
Cheese.
Maths?
I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. Maths and science. Oh, I thought you only had maths today.
Don't even ask me about it.
I
didn't know anything. Didn't know anything.
I didn't even grab it.
Well, did you try?
Yeah.
Well, there you go then. That's all you can do. You look sad again today. And how are you? You look like you're in a good mood. Because you've got a smile on your face. That's good then. Spag bowl for tea later, is that alright?
Yeah. Can you give me meatballs?
No, it's not meatballs, it's spag bowl.
What's spag bowl?
Same bit similar to meatballs really, isn't it?
It's meatballs but without the balls.
They're just not in balls, are they? What have you been doing today then?
Forget.
Yeah, well.
Well, we didn't do maths today.
Didn't you?
Like 2 tests.
2 tests?
Yeah.
Of what? Spelling?
No.
So what did you have your tests on?
On maths. No maths today because we had to do tests instead.
What, a maths test?
No, not a maths test.
English?
Yeah. I might go from English.
You do alright, do you think?
Yeah.
So what?
Might have to make bread at home for you now.
Yes, if you'd like to, Liam.
No, because it's
Oh, we'll let you know later when I see how it tastes.
Well, I don't even know what it tastes like.
Shirley, why are you so sad today? You got nothing to tell me then? Oh. The so-called snow cleared away, look. Well, rain, it was definitely drizzle, but Rach definitely thinks it was snow and so does my mum. It wasn't. They wish. That grass has grown again. Need to get out there and get this garden sorted. But the weather can never make up its mind, can it? We're in the kitchen. Chloe Bowes tidied the kitchen up for me. That's nice of her. And Liam is helping with tea, chopping his mushrooms. He's done the onion. Spag bowl, isn't it? Spag bowl. Big jar there, Liam. Bread. And we've got your bread to help too. Cheesy cold bread or whatever you call it.
Bread.
Bread. I'm hungry now. Are you? Tea is about ready. So my little helper here is going to keep an eye on it while I fetch Rach. There's Soph. She's on the phone to the Nana. Hi, Nanny.
Hi.
You're on the telly now.
On the telly?
Well, you might be on some ones.
Well, this is true. But, you know, sometimes Bill watches you on the telly. I might be in the other room and I walk through it and your bloody face is sat on the telly.
What do you think to that?
I said, what bloody hell is he doing on there?
Language.
What do you think to me?
Oh, I don't know what to think to you.
Do you think, oh, that's a lovely boy there?
No, I think somebody swapped you at birth. You know when they take him to the nursery the first night so that he can have a rest?
Yeah.
I think they bought the wrong one back.
Well, I tell you what, if that's true, you got a lucky one, didn't you?
No.
There's the woman of the world. She's just had a bit of this tear and share bread of Liam's.
Quite nice.
And it's quite nice. So.
You haven't tried it yet? To make it horrible.
No,
It
I
tastes
like
like grass.
I thought it was nice.
Is there any pepper?
Oh,
yeah.
Normally school recipes are bad, but
That's quite nice. Drip it in. Well done. 5 to 7 then, and tea was good, and well done Liam on the tear and share cheesy bread thing. Very good. What are you doing there then? I can see myself on your camera. Kiss. Night darling, love you. Night darling. Love you. Night safe. What you got there, Sale? Got a treaty. Oh, night Mr. Homework.
no, this one I'm currently doing for Thursday.
I don't know.
No,
What you say?
that
Why are
one.
you saying no? It is homework.
No, that one.
No, it is homework.
No, this one.
Hey?
This one's for tomorrow, and this one that I'm doing is for Thursday.
All right, because you're off Wednesday, aren't you?
Yeah. So,
You're off for teacher strike again. Night, mate.
right.
That's Monday done, son. Come up to bed. I'm off for a bath. Then it's time to go to the London Hoard. Hope you've had a brilliant day. Take care. And peace.